Subterfuge box break number 59. It's my normal 643 break. My weekly break. You new eBay bidders are in for a treat. You haven't seen stuff like this before. So, anyways, 5-team bonus. Mogwai had 5 or more teams. What? Mogwai had 5 or more teams, so you're going to get this Brett Johnson black border rookie or out of 100, and this Tyler Kennedy out of 100. Dubs, you had 5 or more teams, so you're going to get this Steven Stamkos Lords of the NHL, along with this nice Corey Perry Cup card, which I really like, out of $2.99. And you're also getting a stretch neck. Enjoy. You guys can hear me, right? So, let's move on to our sheet. Dubs, Mogwai, Oceans, Calgary is our drop team. Casualty, Crow, John Bull. Ask Piper, we got Von Jaren. Calbs is back again with Detroit. Phyllis, Kind CD is back. We got Tom. T.O. Copper, a new eBay bidder. You're going to love our breaks, buddy. You should check out 643boxbreaks.com. Tell Phyllis just to refresh. Tell her to refresh. PJ's back, and that is it. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to roll for our drop team. I have a 30-sided die. I'm going to roll it. Whichever number it lands on, they're going to get Calgary free for this break. It is number 25. 25 is Ask Piper. Isn't that funny that Ask Piper got Calgary free? That's too freaky, actually. That is too weird. Hello. And we're going to roll for the free team next break. Who's going to get it? It's going to be next week. And it is a 6. I put the underline under the 6s and the 9s now. Number 6 is Crow. You're doing the double dip with Chicago again. There you go, buddy. And we're going to do my blue and white bonus. Blue and white forever. If it lands on a blue honored numbers, we're going to give away 4 packs to somebody. If it lands on the 5 or the 6, we're going to give away this stunning net presence card from Ronco. And anything else is going to be a pack of Score. But it's actually going to be better than Score because I don't have any Score left. So, good luck. It is a 16. Boo. Somebody is going to get a... that's up to Annie. Somebody's going to get a pack of Contenders for that. We're going to do a pack of Contenders. So, who's going to get it? The person with team number 11, which is Von Jaren and Edmonton. Already on the board. So, there we go. Put that back there for now. We can break into our box and see what we get. Here is our serial number ending in 210. It is a factory sealed box, of course. Good luck, everybody. There's some mojo in this box too, guys. I know it. Checklist. 10 packs. Empty box. Floor. And away we go. Got a jersey card to start with. Well, if you already have it, Dubs, we can do something else. It's, what is it? Anyways, let's go. Sergei Kostitsyn. We got a mirror blue in this one. Alexander Steen. Tim Thomas. From the back we got Jimmy Howard. And my spacer. And for the Philadelphia Flyers and Mogwai. Starting off early. You got a blue auto of Ilya Bryzgalov. I didn't expect the auto to be there. And it's out of 99. Number 26. There you go, buddy. Wow. Not often you get a blue auto. Yeah. I should have known when it wasn't upside down like normally they are. So, we got Skinrar. Andrei Markov. Koivu. Jonathan Toews. Spacer. And for the Pittsburgh Penguins and Von Jaren, you got Marc-Andre Fleury, Mass Marbles, the Flower. Here we got Michael Grabner, Letang. Looks like we got our freshman signatures in this one. Patrick Kane, Plekanec, my spacer, and for the Colorado Avalanche and John Bull, 86, you got Cameron Gotts. Rookie auto. Not much of an auto, jeez. But whatever. Not bad. It's actually a pretty good player. And we got the closer, Valtteri Filppula, Daniel Alfredson, Antti Niemi, not my Antti. We got Martin St. Louis, my spacer, and a mirror red for the New York Rangers and Mogwai. You got Callahan, Ryan Callahan, mirror red, numbered 76 of 199. Next pack. We got Cal Clutterbuck, Derek Roy, Getzlaff, Jonathan Quick, my spacer, and Eric Johnson. Stunning base pack. You got Hemsky, a mirror blue in this one. Briere, and it's upside down, so it should be a normal blue. Sid the Kid, Sadine's sister, my spacer, and for the Dallas Stars, who always seem to hit, and Von Jaren again. You got Jamie Benn, mirror blue, number 2 of 99. Whoa, this pack is mega thick. I think we got a out of 5 or something in that one. I'm gonna put it back to last. This one, we got Brad Richards, Jordan Stahl, the other Richards named Mike. We got Stamkos, my spacer, and for the Detroit Red Wings and the new guy, Calves, 1989. You got Gold Team of Nicky Lidstrom. I like these cards. That pack is just busting. Unbelievable. We got another jersey card in here, so let's open it. Got Ryan Kessler, Pekka Rinne, Marc-Andre Fleury, Erik Karlsson, Craig Anderson. Everybody's excited about that brick. And hey, how did you know it was Fleury? For the Pittsburgh Penguins and Von Jaren, we got Marc-Andre Fleury. Red dual mem white and black swatches. Numbered, oh nice. Numbered 150 out of 150. There's a ding in the back here. But there you go, it's an eBay 101 for you. You're having an awesome break. Let's go to this other pack here. Claude Giroux, Marleau, Pavelec, Johnny T. In the back we got Iggy. And for the New York Rangers and Mogwai again, you got Derek Stepan, blue materials, a single black swatch, numbered 30 out of 9, and there's a big scratch up the back of this thing too. 30 out of 99. Oh, and it's bent here like crazy. Can you see that? Woo! That thing's more crooked than an eBay breaker. Anyways, on to the good pack. Well, and I was right. We got one heck of a brick in this thing. We got Hemsky, or Sam Gagner in the front. Brendan Morrow. Nicholas Backstrom. Thomas Vanek. From the back we have Nicholas Backstrom. And oh my god. Seriously, Crow, you're gonna die. Are you there, Crow? You're gonna die, man. This thing is gorgeous. I need to look. Oh, it's out of 10. So we got NHL Prime die cut of Jimmy Howard. Just gorgeous. Jimmy Howard cards are so hard to find. And Calb's 1989 is going to be going back into my breaks, I think. And it is numbered 2 of 10. So, there we go. Beautiful hit for you, sir. So, that is the box. That is a pretty good box. So, we're going to move on to our black box of mystery bonus. If you haven't seen this, I'm going to roll the die. I'm going to pick out a top loader and a parallel card for 5 different rolls. So, here we go. One is a 8. 8 is Ask Piper. Ask Piper is getting a Calgary Flame card, strangely enough, of Mika Kiprusoff. That'll make you happy. And you're getting a double diamond of Paul Stastny. Number 2 is a 13. 13 is Kind CD. Kind CD, you're going to get a Young Guns of Rafael Diaz. And a Ryan Kessler Playoff Heroes from Score. I've never seen that card before. I don't know how I got there. Number 12. Number 12 is Phyllis. I'm pulling this one for you, Phyllis. You're going to get a Thomas Vinsur Triple Diamond Rookie Gem from Black Diamond, and a glossy of Marty Brodeur. Next one. Number 8. Surprisingly enough, number 8 is still Ask Piper. You're going to get a SP Essentials of Nicholas Backstrom out of 1999, and a Henrik Sedin, who cares, retro parallel, blah, blah, blah. And we have a 19 is Mogwai. You're going to get a dual mem card of Eric Stahl out of 150, and a gold parallel of Hannu Toivonen. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. There's one thing left to decide, and that is who gets the Holy Mackinac bonus. And I'm pretty sure that Detroit is getting a full refund for this break. That's right, Mr. eBay bidder. My Holy Mackinac bonus is for the team that gets the best hit, gets a full refund. So shoot me a message when you've seen the video, and I'll toss you your refund. I'll be right back with the Finding the Balance bonus in the next video.